So, homework number 3, item number 5. So, ang given natin, wag niyo muna natin yung pansinin ha. Nagkamali kasi ang recording kanina. So, find the equation of the normal line to the graph y equal to 4x squared, 4 over x squared at a point to 1. Take note, if you have this line, for example, the normal line is this, which is 90 degrees from the given line. So, yung graph, kunyari, hindi natin alam kung paano i-graph yun. Pero alam natin, nagkaroon ng intersection at 2, 1. So, ito yung 2, ito yung 1, ito yon. So, kunyari, ganito yung pinaka-graph mo. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung tsura niya. Tapos, yung tangent line, doon natin nire-refer yung normal line. 90 degrees with respect to the tangent line. Ito yung normal line. And, ang pagkuha ng equation, diba yan yun, hanapin daw natin yung equation nito. Ang pagkuha ng equation class, may yung pinaka ginagamit natin in this kind of problem is this, ito yung pinaka formula niya, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Yung y1, x1, ito po yun, si 2, 1. Okay, yung point na to, wherein ito si x1, tapos ito naman si y1. Yan. So, pwede na natin palitan ito ha. Tanda nyo, yan yung formula pag kinukuha yung equation ng line dito sa problem natin. So, this is y minus ang y sub 1 mo ay 1 equal to m x minus ang x sub 1 mo naman ay 2. So, okay na sana. But the problem is, hindi mo kasi alam yung slope. Slope ni normal line. Take note, normal line ang hinahanapan natin. Pero, pwede mong masabi na, ang alam ko lang kasi na slope ay slope ni tangent line. Yung m or yan si slope ni tangent line. Ito yan. Yan yung slope na yan. Ano nga ba yung formula nito? If you can remember, and you have to remember, that's the limit as h approaches to 0 nung f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Ito may x sub 1 tayo kasi may given tayong point eh. So, yan lang yung alam ko na slope, ma'am. So you're looking at the slope ng normal. Ang relationship po ng normal line at tangent line, they are reciprocal of each other na may negative sign. Lang siya. So, kunyari nakuha mo na yung slope ni tangent line, negative 1 over nun, yun na yung slope ng normal line. Pag nakuha mo yun, substitute mo dito, then you can solve for the equation of the normal line. Okay? So, kunin pa lang muna natin ito, yung slope ni tangent line. So, doon na natin may apply itong formula na ito. Ma'am, wala akong f of x. Take note, the y is always equal to the f of x. So, ang x na tinutukoy dito is ayun, yung part na yun. Okay? So, since ang hinahanap natin is f of x sub 1 plus h, and ang x sub 1 mo ay 2. 2 plus h lang pala yan. So, isolve natin ang f of 2 plus h. So, dito, magiging 4 over 2 plus h na naka-squared. Okay? So, i-expand lang natin. So, that will be application of square of binomial. So, square ng first term plus, dahil plus yun, then 2 times yung 2 na yun, yung first term, and then the last term. Then, plus yung square na pinaka-last term. So, magiging answer pala dito sa f of x plus 1, x sub 1 plus h is 4 all over 2 squared is 4. 2 times 2 is 4h times h yun eh, plus h squared. Yan na pala yun. Okay, and then yung f of x sub 1, pwede din nating masolve. Ang f of x sub 1 naman ay f of, ang x sub 1 kasi is ito yung 2. So, magiging f of 2. Tapos, pwede mong sabihin na if ang f of x ko ay 4 over x squared, so ang f of 2 ko ay 4 over, instead of x, 2 squared na siya. So, 4 over 4 yan. So, 1 lang pala yun. Okay? So, pwede na nating masolve yung ito. itong slope ni tangent line. So, with limit as h approaches to 0, nitong f of x sub 1 plus h, ito siya. So, we have 4 all over 4 plus 4h plus h squared. Ayan siya. Minus, ang f of x mo naman ngayon is 1 from here all over h. So, ang magiging answer dito, so rewrite lang natin, limit as h approaches to 0. You can have it as over 1 kasi 1 and 1 over 1 is the same. But you can cross multiply it. 4 times 1 is 4 minus, so you have 1 times the denominator. Ito isa, dalawa. So, 4 plus 4h plus h squared all over 1 times 4 plus 4h plus h squared. So, ayan. Pwede may lagay. Sige, 1. Then, don't forget, ito pa lang yung meron ka pang over h. Okay? So, simplify natin further. That's the limit as h approaches to 0 nino. 4. Negative mo na. Negative times 4, negative 4. Negative times positive 4h, negative 4h, negative times h squared, negative h squared. All over, ito, pwede nyo natin siyang ilagay doon. Okay? So, that's h4 plus 4h plus h squared. So, itong makakancel, makita natin, and makikita natin, merong common. Ang common sa taas is h. Labas natin yung common, to negative 4 na lang natira. Ito, tinanggal yung isang h na lang. All over, may h ka sa baba, ito. Then, 4 plus 4h plus h squared as h approaches to 0. Kasi yun, pwede mo na itong ma-cancel. Okay, pag na-cancel na yan, ang magiging answer ay ito na yan. Pwede na nating i-recta substitute. Or, if you want to write, that's the limit of negative 4 minus h all over. Ito na sa baba, 4 plus 4h plus h squared as h approaches to 0. So, magiging negative 4 minus 0. So, substitute na natin eh. Then, 4 plus 4 times 0 plus 0 squared. 0, 0, 0. So, negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. So, ito yung slope ni tangent line. So, ang kailangan natin, slope ni normal line. So, pag binalikan natin to, negative 1 over, ano ba slope ni tangent line? We have here the negative 1. So, i-write lang po natin si negative 1 dito. Then, that will be 1. So, pag itong slope ni normal line ay ni-replace mo na, sinubstitute mo na doon, so, lagyan natin ng division, ate. So, rewrite lang natin, y minus 1 is equal to, ano nga slope ni normal line? 1 times x minus 2. Ayan, nare-write natin. So, pwede mo nang i-distribute. So, meron kang y minus 1. 1 times x, x. 1 times negative 2, negative 2. Tapos, pagsamahin na natin. So, pwede siyang, sige, y minus 1. Ito from positive x, from negative 2 magiging positive 2 equal to 0. So, y minus x, negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. So, pwede pong ito na yung maging answer. Kung gusto naman, pwede din y equal to from negative x magiging positive x, lipat. From positive 1 magiging negative 1. Pwede din namang ito. So, same lang naman sila na equation ni normal line. Okay, that's the equation for the normal line. So, ngayon, pag ang hinahanap lang slope ni normal line, ay di ang gagawin mo lang, hanggang dito lang. Slope ni normal line, negative 1 over mt. Ang mt, ito. Okay, so, yun. Makukuha mo na yung slope ni normal line. So, pero pag equation, tandaan nyo, ito yung ginagamit natin na formula. Okay? And that's the answer for homework 3, number 5.